In a serene village nestled between rolling hills and cherry blossom trees, there lived a wise old master named Koji. He was revered for his profound wisdom and the peaceful aura that surrounded him. One day, a curious villager approached Koji, seeking guidance on the path to gaining respect from others. Koji, with a gentle smile, shared a powerful Zen story that held the key to earning respect. "Listen closely," he said, "and reflect upon these 6 habits that, when abandoned, will pave the way to earning the respect you seek." Habit 1. Once, in the heart of the village, there was a great oak tree. Koji pointed to it and said, "The tree doesn't judge the wind that blows through its branches, nor does it criticize the rain that falls upon its leaves. To earn respect, refrain from judging others, and you shall stand tall like the unyielding oak." Habit 2. Expectations. In the nearby stream, Koji observed a group of lilies gracefully floating. Notice how the lilies do not expect the water to carry them, but instead dance with the current. Release expectations, and you shall flow effortlessly through life, earning the respect of those who witness your graceful journey. Habit 3. Attachment. A butterfly fluttered by, captivating the onlookers with its vibrant colors. Koji said, "Like the butterfly, do not cling to what was or what could be. Embrace change, and your transformation will inspire respect." Besebewadi 4. Fear. As dusk approached, Koji lit a lantern, and its soft glow illuminated the gathering. Fear is the shadow that dims the light within. Face it, and your inner radiance will command the respect of those around you. Habit 5. Complaining. Beneath a cherry blossom tree, Koji plucked a fallen petal and said, "The tree does not lament the loss of its petals, for it knows that each one serves a purpose. Refrain from constant complaint, and others will see the beauty in your resilience." Habit 6. Greed. In the village marketplace, Koji pointed to a contented cat basking in the sunlight. "The cat takes only what it needs and shares the rest. Abandon greed, and you shall find that sharing generously attracts the respect of all." The villager, enlightened by Koji's wisdom, embraced these teachings and embarked on a journey of self-transformation. Over time, the village noticed the changes in the villager, a person free from judgment, unburdened by expectations, flowing with change, fearless in the face of challenges, resilient in adversity, and generous in spirit. As the villager walked through the village, a newfound aura of respect surrounded them. Koji, with a knowing smile, watched as the ripple effect of wisdom transformed not only one life, but the entire community. And so, the powerful Zen story echoed through the hills, inspiring others to leave behind these 6 habits and cultivate a life worthy of respect. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to enlighten yourself.